Hi, I'm Dave West, Customer Success Manager at OnRamp. Time to value, usually shortened TTV, is the time it takes for a new customer to experience the core benefit of your product for the first time. It's one of the most important metrics in customer success, and it has a direct impact on churn, NRR, and whether customers actually renew. Time to value sounds simple, but it requires a clear definition to be useful. You need to answer two questions before you can measure it. First, what counts as value for your product? That's your activation milestone, the specific moment when a customer gets the outcome that they bought your product for. Not completed training, not had a kickoff call, the actual outcome. For a payments product, it might be process the first transaction. For a CRM, it might be imported contacts and sent first campaign. Define yours. Second, what does time mean in your context? Calendar days from contract signature? Business days from kickoff? Days from first login? The definition matters because that's what you measure and what you improve against. The reason time to value matters so much is the correlation with retention. Customers who reach their activation milestone in the first 30 days renew at significantly higher rates than customers who take 60 or 90 days. The logic is simple. Customers who haven't seen value, haven't built the habit of using your product, haven't built internal advocates, and haven't attached ROI to the purchase. That makes them easy to cut at renewal. Here are 3 ways to reduce time to value. 1, define your activation milestone clearly, then build your entire onboarding process backwards from that moment. Every step that doesn't directly contribute to reaching activation faster should come after, not before. 2, remove friction from the customer side. The more steps customers have to take on their own, configuration, data uploads, integrations, the slower you'll be. Identify the highest friction step in your onboarding and fix it. 3, use automation to eliminate the back and forth that slows everything down. Every day a customer is waiting for a response from your team is a day added to TTV. According to OnRamp's 2026 State of Onboarding Report, best-in-class teams achieve time to first value in under 14 days. The benchmark for onboarding completion rate is above 80%, and teams that digitize their onboarding, moving from spreadsheets and email threads to a structured platform, cut time to value by 25% or more. One DevOps SaaS platform we work with reduced their overall onboarding time by 73% after making that switch. A healthcare tech company we work with started recognizing revenue an average of 3 months earlier per customer. These aren't edge cases. They're what happens when you apply the 3 moves I just described.